Right, and this one is from my book that just came out in August called The Penitent, or Canon Foster's Dissonance Revolution. That's all I do is put out books. I have nothing better to do with my life. This poem is called A New Believer Justifies His Presence at La Brasserie du Frontenac. Your conversion wasn't the cause of conversation. I was never in the mood to debate, to analyze atrocities by the people of the book. Let us say our alphabet is in need of subtle change, an extra letter, an inverted B, that something needs to be done with every O that looks like zero. You swear to fight obscenity wearing slippers made of wool. Announce that sheep are standing with you, that the Lamb of God's the star. You're only receiving belated thank yous for his Sermon on the Mount. When you'd said you were ungodly, an atheist without doubt, they christened you in Paris as the Eminence Grise, teaching doctrine without a crown or chic degree. They said you spoke with blatant madness. Devour soup in such a way that makes no use of silver spoons. Use a straw in front of mother, a fork if all the patrons are filthy rich. Adding, it's not to cause offense, to appear so peasant class, but that the consommé is thicker than it looks. And if someone has a sense of Eastern balance, a single drop will never spill upon the floor. Tell the diners that to tip is condescending, that the waiter has no need for alms or mites, that C.S. Lewis is still among them, his refutations heard in every one of your awkward slurps, that screw tape was your father, you're disinherited from his will, that the crucifix you clutch isn't a blanket or a crutch, but a revision of letter T, since preceding S is so reviled, the one that we all blame for being banished from belief, and remaking, never ridding us of sin, a serpent soul to lurk elsewhere, in the innocence of A and all beginnings. Thank you.